Hello everybody, welcome to Vroom Vroom Zoom, and yeah, a bit of a milestone in subscribers to last week. We reached 2,000 subs, so woohoo! Oh, that hurt. Yeah, so 2,000 subscribers. I'm really excited. Thanks everyone for subbing. Thanks for your support, and it's I love making these videos, even though they're just dodgy little things. But yeah, every single one of you, thank you very much, and yeah, I hope to provide you with more quality content as we go along, such as this. Today we are looking at this phone holder straight from AliExpress. It's you know, I'm not a huge fan of putting my phone here, but I'm thinking I might start to have a bit of a go. So this one is one of your cheaper options. It's kind of marketed for push bikes. Yeah, it is what it is. It has a screw here that you just unscrew, and then you can see this bracket starts to come out. Just adjust it so that your phone just fits in. You can slide it in a little bit, and then you just tighten it on. Very easy. Right, here is my Oppo, I don't know, A52 I think it is, or I think it's an A52. Anyway, just put it there. Oh, I can't really show you at the same time. And then you just wind this on like that. Just grabs the phone nicely, just like that. This way. There you go. So it holds the phone. Now, let me just tighten this up. Okay, so I have ridden with this setup once, and all I can say is I was constantly worried about this falling off, like wobbling loose, but I don't think I had to be, because the whole time it was nice and firm and stayed really quite secure, I think. So yeah, it does the job. Hey, you know, when you buy something cheap like this, you've got to sort of question, can I put my $1,000 plus whatever phone in here and and trust it to hold my phone? So the answer is yes, tentative yes. When you do tighten this firm, it's like there's no movement. It's there, hey, but it's about rattling loose. Is it going to rattle loose? Hopefully not. Anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy myself a cheaper phone here, and I'm just going to run it offline. So I'll have a GPS map. I'll have like a map on there, an offline map, and maybe a speedo or something, you know, the speedo apps you can get, and see if it holds in there. And you know, if it does fall out, it's going to be okay. It's not going to be a huge problem. Whereas the phones like this, even this Oppo, you know, it's, I don't know, a couple $100. It's, for me, I don't think I should be riding it for testing purposes anyway. And then just pulls out like that. You have to fully undo it to fit the whole phone in. There you go. The installation was quite easy. Just has 2 screws from underneath up through there. And you can go the other way, I think, if you wanted to. And then that one there is the one that holds that actual plate on top, so you can sort it upside down, but I don't know, it's fine, it's cool. So yeah, there you go guys. Just a quick little review. If you're after a cheap option to mount your mobile onto your handlebars, yeah, it's okay, looks good. Actually suits my silver on this bike, but yeah, you can get in different colors obviously. I'll put the link below so you can check them out for yourself, make the decision yourself. And yeah, if you've got one, let me know how you're going with it, or yeah, if you're intending on buying one, tell me if it's something that you are going to consider, why you would consider it, why you aren't going to pay the, you know, $90, $100 for one of those proper mounts, or you're probably like me, a bit cheap and don't want to spend too much. Then yeah, anyway, that's it everyone. Thank you for watching, and see you at the next video.